If you strip everything that you know away and just look at things objectively, what do you see?
We talk about the subconscious mind a lot, like it's kind of like this bad thing. No, it's not. It does what it's told, right? I say it all the time. It's like the Terminator. It will just follow its orders, right? Develop a good relationship with this thing and it will work for you in powerful ways. But again, why? Why don't you trust yourself? That's the question I want you to answer. Like, why don't you trust yourself? And whatever you're going to get, dig through that. Get past the first thing, because that's bullshit. That's fake. And what you'll get, and we say it all the time here as well, like put what we teach you under a microscope and it checks out.
Every fucking time.
Look at everything through the lens of neuroscience, cognitive sequencing, quantum physics. Like put our shit under a microscope, it all checks out. Why you have every fucking reason to believe in your own personal power and the abundant things that you can do, achieve, and receive, that checks out under reality. No, it doesn't check out. Whatever bullshit reason you'd make up for not trusting yourself, put it under a microscope, see if it stands objectively. It just doesn't, right? It's like those fucking Russian dolls. Like you get to the middle one and there'd just be nothing in there. Well, I can't trust myself because of this. Well, that is real because of this, and that's real because of this. And then you just get to the end and you're like, there's just fucking nothing here. There's just nothing here. There's no reason for it. Like why Brodie wasn't recording this call. There's just no reason for it. Dude, I was like, maybe he can only like, whatever.
Fuck that one up.
You fucked that one up big time.
We caught it.
We'll just have to bring some heat for the last 30 minutes. But like, ask yourself, when your unconscious mind presents you with a piece of yourself to heal or overcome, dude, you don't understand the amount of freedom and fulfillment on the other side of that. It is the best fucking feeling in the world. Every single one of you on your onboarding forms in some way, shape, or form wants freedom. Personal freedom, financial freedom, freedom from your past, whatever. Where the fuck do you think it comes from? It comes from your unconscious mind serving up things on a silver platter and you actually devouring them. That's all. That's the only place it's ever going to come from. Freedom. Can you choose to utilize your gifts, your skills, your experiences, your personal power in an intentional way? That is the source of freedom. That is the source of success. That is the source of value. All these things that you say you want, all these things that you think you have to go chase out there, you're missing the fucking starting point. You're missing the fucking starting point here. And so it begs the question, what can stop you? Truly, what out there can stop you? If every obstacle out there is simply your unconscious stuff being reflected back to you because your unconscious knows it's time for you to handle it, what can stop you? Besides
the thing that I want to highlight here too is like, in my eyes, the way that I see it, the only thing that can stop you is continuing to view everything the way that you have. Like everything that happens in your life, inside of your business, is simply a response to an action. And this response has a neutral fucking charge. But how do we receive these things? Well, we take our stories that were taught to us by someone else and we apply it to that neutrally charged fucking response. And we let that tell the story about who we are and what we're worth. The thing about life, the thing about business is, dude, to succeed, you seriously need to bat like 1%, like something stupid fucking low. Failure happens all the fucking time. But if you don't let go of the boundaries that you put on the way that you think and how you receive response, It's going to be that nasty fucking cycle. There's no way for you to move forward. What I love about what we do here at Wake Up Wealthy is that we're not imprinting like the way we view the world on individuals. We're not telling them how to think. We're saying, hey, if you strip everything that you know away and just look at things objectively, what do you see? That's why when you put this shit under a microscope, it checks out. If you just look at the shit in your life objectively, don't apply your emotions, don't apply your stories. It's all an opportunity to learn. It is all an opportunity for you to learn. And so think about it. Think about the last 12 months of your life. Pick a handful of the most fucked up things that happened to you. I guarantee you there were tons of things that you learned from that. But still, when you think about that situation, you say, that fucking sucked. And maybe it did, but you don't say, and here's what I learned. Here's how I grew. Here's the man that I became because of this obstacle. My stress threshold gets blasted all the time. But what does it do? It raises that threshold. It shows me a new way. It gives me an opportunity to learn. And right then I am presented with a choice. Do I do what I did last time and apply these stories? Or do I make the unconscious conscious? Look at this objectively.